How to block a YouTube channel completely on your Android device. If you would like to block a YouTube channel completely, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to do this. Although I'm going to show you how to do this through the Android app, this process will also work for Apple devices and on PC. Okay, straight into it. First, you need to start up the YouTube app. Next, search for the channel name you wish to block. Next, go to that channel. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. And then click on Block User. Now, doing this says that blocking this user will prevent them from commenting on videos you've uploaded, but it does not block video recommendations from this channel. So, after you click block, this user has now been blocked. If you don't want to be recommended videos from a particular channel, all you need to do is find a video here in your home screen and say this one, I don't want to be recommended videos from this channel anymore. I just click on the three dots next to this video and then I go down to Don't Recommend Channel. And so I will no longer be recommended videos from this channel at all. So you would need to take both steps on the same channel to prevent and block that YouTube channel completely on your Android device. And that's all it takes to block a YouTube channel completely on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.